Hi everyone, my name is Kalpesh Gopi. I've done my diploma in civil engineering. After my diploma, I started looking for jobs, but due to lack of software skills and software knowledge, I went through so many rejections. My friend suggested me the Milestone Institute of Technology, where he did his Master Diploma. And after that, I searched it on Google and I went through so many positive and good reviews. So I decided to go for a review. So I came to Milestone for inquiries and I got understood what I have to do with my career based on my previous engineering studies. I saw the classrooms and saw the computer systems and took demo lecture also. And this is where I realized that this is the only institute I was looking for, and I got enrolled for Master Diploma of Architectural Design. I have been provided with industry-based training for softwares that I choose like Revit, AutoCAD, 3ds Max, Google SketchUp, and V-Ray, and I also got free sessions of Photoshop also. During my course period, I started getting placement opportunities from multiple companies because of my skill set that I learned in Milestone. Now I am happily placed with the help of Milestone placement team as a junior BIM engineer. If you are looking for any design software training, then there is not any best institute than Milestone. I would really like to recommend you Milestone if you want to learn and upgrade your software skills. Thank you.